Fuck, I am blue. Let me move this bad boy up a bit. Whoa, way too up there. Drop that shit down, and let's move this down so you can see my pretty face. And that one could probably go out there. How's that sounding? Probably pretty good. What's it sounding good? It's my voice. What are we talking about here? Alright. I hope that's finished. I don't know if the ad has finished or not. I actually don't think it has, because I don't have that little pop-up thing. Can I go edit layout? And then... No, it actually is not even showing me my goddamn ads. Where is the ad thing? Stream preview. What the fuck's this? Displays video player. Oh, right, that makes sense. Mod actions, blah blah blah, la 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 la. Ads manager? I mean, do I just drop that bad boy down there? Ooh, that's fancy. Like it, I like it. Alright, what else do we have in here? Activity feed, predictions, unbound requests. Maybe mod actions, just because I am running like one of those auto mods that gets a bit silly sometimes. Oh no, that's whoa. I'm not too sure about that one, but I guess I'll leave it as it is. And I want chat back. Where's my chat? Fuck, what have I done? Shit, activity feed panel removed. No, give me that back. Give it back. Give it back. Fuck. How do I, oh god, how do I fucking, oh my god. Yes, put it there, put it there. No, put it back. Put it back. Alright, what if I do this? And then maybe I just move these around a bit. So we move that to like there. And can I extend these up? Nope. I want to move this one that way. And this one that way. Alright, that's a little bit better. And then this one can also go like here. That's probably okay if the quick actions were actually fucking displayed. And then where the fuck's chat gone? God damn. My chat. Yes, give me my chat. Alright, I'm just gonna put chat here for now and then try and drag it down to here. And then like move this one to there. Get rid of this one. No. Alright, let's put this here. Move this one down. This is really not what I want it to be, how I want it to be. Alright, that's a little bit better. And then if I move this down to here, I could probably drop, like I could probably just minimize mod actions for now. Is top and bottom, bottom top, bottom to the top. Alright. So I could probably do that. Will this get rid of it? Remove it. I don't know if I want to remove it. Do I remove it? I could probably leave it. It's probably fine with it up there. How are we sitting? Alright, let's just save it as it is. Sub point. It still isn't showing me like the ad info, which I was really hoping would. Ad starts in 19 minutes. Like that ads panel is kind of cool. Actually, I will kind of want to move this to like below this or above this. Yeah, there we go. All right, that is pretty good. Can I shrink this? No. So maybe we just split them down there, which isn't the best. Actually, maybe we can split this up here because that don't really need to see the stream health and all that bullshit too badly. Let's give it a refresh, make sure everything is legible. Cool, that looks okay. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Let's see where I'm sitting in the directory. Third position with the worst possible fucking an image you can imagine of me, but it is what it is. So let's get right back into it. I only have a couple of things that I want to do today based off where we left everything yesterday. So, no, that one. It is in templates. This one, that one, this one, this one, that one, this one. In here. Once that buffers. We're just going to run yarn run dev. Actually, I should probably check out a new branch. Whatever the fuck we changed the install state, that's fine. Let's pop up ye old. I'm gonna type in some passwords before I fire up screen keys. Let's go here and fire up screen keys so you guys can see the buttons that I'm mashing. Boom. And we're in. Cool. And then I think I want to jump into Jira. And then we can pick shit up where we left it. Wow, wow, wow. This is an absolute classic of a song, by the way. Absolute banger. Gorgeous. I actually can't see myself behind the screen keys at all, but let's move this to that side, then we can see it. Looks shocking. Absolutely shocking. God, let me fix my hair real quick. And put the glasses on up the right way. Let's fucking go. Alright, where did we leave it? I'm pretty iffy on the glasses. Let's leave them up there as like a hair tie. And we just call it like that. Like, not too phased with how I look at the moment. So. Alright, so what do we got? Multiple video lists on homepage. That is definitely in progress. The subscriptions page is also in progress and very close to being done. So let's add a. Hang on, let's just double check this one, right? If it's creating subtasks, it does not. So let's create some more issues real quick. So you want subscriptions, link from profile page, and also allow canceling subs from the subpage. I'm also actually going to fire up the old Chatterino just so I can see what's going on. Just so I can watch chat. I'll try and hide it behind myself. Login expired. Ah! It really should be able to fucking handle this, to be honest. Alright, boom. Alright, I have a feeling, don't show on stream. You shouldn't be able to see that. That should be behind my picture. So I'm going to authorize it. Copy it. Paste it. And we're in. Cool. Now I can see chat. I'm going to... Oh, wait, no, I don't want to close that. I want to minimize this one. And then I'm going to hit Super C so that I can move this bad boy around and bury it right about here. Actually, let's make it a lot thinner. So I think this is a keybind. Nope, this is a keybind. And probably want to make it roughly smaller than that. Actually, let's make it a little bit taller than that. Oop, wrong way. That one and that one. All right, let's just check if that's... Yeah, that's cool. You guys can't see Chatterino, but I can. All right, so where are we? We are here, and we need to make a new branch for it. So let's just start working on the canceling subs. So let's assign this to myself, already assigned to me. Absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to grab this bad boy, go over here, and use a dirty little alias for git, whoop, not Docker clear everything, git checkout branch feature, and then paste the feature number in, cancel subs. Cool. And then we're going to run yarn run dev, or probably could have just hit it with the yarn dev, but whatever. Apparently there are gaps in message history. So let's try sending Celeste. Yeah, that all looks good. Looks good to me. So let's leave that where they are. This one can go back over there because we're not actually working with it. And this does have an active branch apparently, as does this one. Ooh. Maybe we should finish the subscriptions page first. I think I did merge it in, but let's just check. And let me just pause Asmongold real quick. Silence, heathen. All right, we are right back at it again. Let me just unmute this to make sure the audio works. I can't hear myself. Please tell me I haven't been fucking... No, that looks right. That looks right. But yeah, anyway. So jumping into the subscribe, let's go with this one. Yeah, this all looks like how I left it last night. So the tier 5, let's go to this. I am logged in. It's going to be for myself, so let's hit continue. I do definitely need to update this. So this is the subscribe confirm page. Needs to pull in the tier information. So let's add a new one in here. Subscription. That's not how you spell any of those words. Selector, recipient. Page population. Whatever, that's good enough for me. I'm just going to paste this in here. For reference, not that one. This, because this isn't populated as it should be. So let's pop that bad boy in there. And we'll get to that one after this. So anyway, let's just jump straight into one, making sure that this will work. And I have a feeling that the webhook firing for Discord is still going to fail. Or maybe all of it's going to fail. Maybe I am an idiot. All right, let's drop this here. Console. Pay with Stripe. No! Bad request. Internal server error. What the fuck are you complaining about? Config. No, I don't want any of that. I want the response. I cannot combine currencies on a single customer. Customer has an active subscription schedule discount invoice with the current. Let me fucking see it. Let me see what. With the currency in USD. Yeah, it definitely should be in USD. What the fuck are you talking about? Unless I fucked up and set this one to be in AUD, which is definitely a possibility, to be fair. And where is my Chatterino? Where is my Chatterino? Where the fuck did I put it? Hello? Chatterino? You haven't been hidden anywhere? Oh, there we go. It's back. There's stream elements begging for Prime subs. Let's leave this one up here so we can sort of see it a bit clearer. But anyway, this all looks fine. What the fuck are you talking about? What date is it today? Today is the 2nd, right? That looks like what I've just done. Anyway, I guess the issue would be probably that I just have too many subscriptions running at the same time. So let's try firing off another subscription that isn't that one. So let's go with this and pay with Stripe. Yep, there we go. All right. So I've just got too many of exactly the same subscriptions already in place. Oop, nope. Just let me put in that. Boom. So at this point, I should hear a ding. Actually, no, I won't hear a ding because I still need to set up the, thingamabobs. But we should get a ding in Discord. And that's not working because we have a 500 server error. And checking logs, I'm going to throw enough shit at the wall. Not that, I just want to go to fucking Discord. What are you talking about? Stripe webhooks. So this all works locally. The issue is whatever it is that Stripe does for, hang on, today at midnight. Yeah, so this is the one that I did this morning. Whatever Vercel does for handling serverless functions, it won't allow me to import any outbound like call libraries, which is really fucking annoying. So shit like Axios, Node Fetch, etc., etc., etc. All the shit that I am actually using to fire off the webhooks. Yeah, so that's the one that we've just created. And if we take a look at it, we're going to get an error in the webhook. There we go. Pending webhook response. And the reason that we're getting that is because it is not behaving. Naughty, naughty. Anyway, let's ignore it for now because, I mean, actually, it is subscribe success, right? Let me just check that that's the right path. And I'm not doing something real stupid. So pages, subscribe, success. Yeah, that's all Gucci. Actually, it's not even fucking using the webhook like that. It's firing it off from here. Stream element subscription payload, which we actually don't do anything with because we need to use not stream element, stream like layout or some shit. Whatever the element overlay is that isn't stream elements, this is one that we need to use. But what we do is use this notify subscription created. And that is in here in Utils Discord. Utils Discord, which is all the way down here. So that, as I just showed, is what will post the subscription into this page. Oh, into this channel at least. I haven't set up the Discord properly and I need to go through and definitely do that at some point soon-ish. Wait, where the fuck is Firefox? You're kidding, I've lost Firefox? Come on, buddy. Where are you? Let's try doing this. Oh, that's hiding behind that. Nope. No, I just fucking killed Firefox. Okay. Let me pull my stream back up at least. Actually, let's send this to the third page, the third tag. So we've got a bit more clarity. Create a dashboard. Live stream. Just make sure that everything looks more or less about right. It looks more or less about right. Oh, we have an live running 2 minutes manually. Remove the upcoming auto ad. How long does this ad go for? What is this? I don't know. Ad starts in 5 minutes. Or I can run a 2-minute ad now. I'm going to run a 2-minute ad now. So see you all in 2 minutes. Like I said, I'm shilling hard as fuck for this month. Just to ad in progress. That makes sense. Yeah, so I'm going to be shilling hard as fuck for this period of time, for like a month or so, just to see how it all evens out, how all the numbers add up, how it all looks at the end of that period. Give me a BRB real quick, just while I replace some blood in my nicotine stream. I'm holding that upside down, so that could have gone really badly. So BRB, let's drop it into as this one. Actually, let's go with straight up BRB. And let me mute my microphone so you don't get miscellaneous bubbling noises. Alrighty then, let me just jump back into, let's go with this one, because I like this one. I really do like this overlay. Mainly because when everything is working, I actually don't know if I've spun this up. I have spun this up. Let's hit this one. Oh, it's going to open in Firefox. So once the page loads, if you're wondering why the homepage is not actually showing a live feed of the live stream, it's to save my bandwidth. So this bad boy, this placeholder, I'm not offline. What the fuck are you talking about? There we go. So all of these placeholders are set there only on localhost, so I don't fucking absolutely demolish my fucking, bandwidth. But, so the subscription live doesn't work, and neither do the donations, but let's just do a donation of actually, let's do $12. Let's go, blah, 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 blah. Actually, let's go. This is a test to donate. And we should get a really nice little pop-up for it, get a nice little overlay. And the reason that I've gone with Stripe, I've said this a couple of times, but the reason I've gone with as a dedicated Stripe checkout page is for confidence. To give donors the confidence that they may require. Just to let you know that it's not some shitty payment portal that I've set up myself. And hopefully I'll hear a ding that won't be Discord, but usually it's the Discord ding first that I'll hear, and then I'll hear the OBS ding. So let's wait and find out. Discord and donation. And hopefully on screen, about where my mouse is, there'll be a really nice, smooth little donor message. Yep, there we go. And then Stream Elements has a little history fit. And as you can see in Discord, we just got donation received. I actually do need to update that as well, so it will pull in the donor data and the message. But for now, let's not worry about it because it doesn't really matter that much. But this is what happens on the live site. But anyway, let's ignore that and just jump straight into the canceling subs. So if I go into my profile, I do need to also switch this. So manage subscription needs to actually link to profile subscription. And this is going to show all of the subscriptions that I have. And I have a fair few because this is my testing account. And I've also just dumped out some information down here for the account. So these are all the subscriptions that I have active. They all say 26 days, and I'm not too sure if that's right. February 28th. That was a couple of days ago. So maybe they are right. Maybe they are right. But anyway. So we're going to need to wrap this in the main profile page. So let's start off with that actually. Boom. So how can we do this? Probably profile. As long as we don't have profile as a separate page. Nope, we do have it in here. Perfect. And in here. So we probably need to do something for the layout. I'm actually not too sure if you can do layouts. Can you do layouts in the pages directory? Like, is that allowed? Like, is that permissible behavior? I'm really hoping that it is. Otherwise, I'm going to have to do something a little bit messy and do something like grab all of this and actually embed that component. So let's go into the subscription, right? Actually, we can probably make this a component. What the fuck's this? Oh, I tried embedding queso stream just for messing around sake. Hang on. Let's just jump back into this, right? So back over here, we have none of that bullshit. So I don't know where it's pulling that bullshit from. Profile messages. This should be the side nav, unless I have it set to hide side nav. Hide side nav is true. So if I set, oh, fuck, if I go false, and hopefully this will then boop, boop, nice. Not quite as nice as this one. I don't think. I could be mistaken on that. Actually, they're identical. Not quite identical, because this does have a wrapper around it. All right, so let's just do a quick suss and see what the difference is with these bad boys. It's wrapped in a straight up div. Is this wrapped in a straight up div? It's not. It's wrapped in two mains. And then we've got another div at the bottom for some reason. So let's jump back to this one. What the fuck's that main? I guess that's that. But all right, so let's get rid of this main. We'll leave that one, I guess. Get rid of that. See how this looks. Oop, failed to compile because it is outside. Whoop, shit. Let's just put that in here and see what we get. Not that one, this one. That's much better. That is much better. All right, that is okay. That is what we want it to be. Maybe we can get rid of this and we'll just bump that straight up to the top. So we want to have the welcome message. Let's shrink all those down to that. Let's just comment that out for now. So we get it like that. And then we'll get rid of the words current subscriptions just because that was a placeholder for me fucking around. Caption. Nope. Current sub is actually its own component. So let's take a look at that. Stripe current sub. Let's jump down and go up here and get rid of that. And that's there. I don't know if we want to even allow for multiple subscriptions at the same time, but let's not worry about it for now. Let's jump back over here and we're going to get rid of the, whoop, jump up to the top of this. And we're going to want to actually switch this out to be a directory link. And get rid of the profile. That's probably one of the first things we should do. Profile, nope, not that profile. Current sub, where the fuck is it? Where are we putting the profile link? Oh, there we go. So let's just comment this out as well, because that's the dumping out the that information. Obviously, I'm going to need to restyle those bad boys. So we want these. And we can probably just grab most of them, in all honesty, and reuse them. So let's go boom, boom, boom. Not that one. This one. Although we do have a nav bar. Is drawer open? Is drawer open? Let's set this to true, just to see. Because I'm pretty sure I have a nav bar over on the left as well. Yeah, I do. That bad boy. Which is lifted one for one from Mr. Destiny. So out of all of these, I think I probably will keep some of them, but we won't worry about that for now. So let's leave that off. What page is this exactly? This is profile index. That's fine. So in here, let's uncomment all of these. Whoop, that is not uncommenting all of these. Get rid of that one. And get rid of that one. Now we should have all of these. There we go. So messages are something that I will add in, and connections and the developer portal to give you guys API access if you want it, if you need it. But Ooh, advanced. What's in advanced? Obviously, I don't have an advanced page. It's about 404 when it loads. If it loads. Oop, it's loading. It didn't take me anywhere. But cool. So that's pretty nice. Pretty much all that we need. We will then need to actually fix up the end subscription button. So I'm not too sure how to do that. There's no shame in admitting that. So let's jump into this and then go into the documentation. Developer docs, which is absolutely going to hammer my machine because it's a fucking piece of shit. But blah, blah, blah. Steam Elements still begging for the Prime subs. So if you've got a Prime sub, please lash it my way. If you would like to make a normal sub, please do it through Twitch at the moment. But then the second that I finish all of this, do it through my site, through Stripe. Even though you will currently get this 500 error, it will go through and it'll all be working a-okay. Currently linked test keys, so please don't do that at the moment. Or actually, you can go for it. You can make as much of a mess as you want because it doesn't fucking matter. But what do I want to do? I want to search and I want to cancel sub. Cancel. Whoop, wait, there we go. Cancel subscriptions. Common mistakes. If you still cast cancellation date, you can't provide a refund. The credit portion is always generated. I don't care. We want to do it. Ooh, actually, do we want to do it through that? For subscription page, click the overflow menu and cancel subscription. Pro rata for usage-based billing. Don't need to worry about that. Cancel subscription and set cancel at period and true. Hang on a minute. Let me just suss this bad boy. Is this set to cancel at the end of the period? I mean, no, because it's a fucking subscription. What am I saying? Of course not. I guess we may as well just set it up to cancel it, not like that, but cancel it through the API. Cancel subscriptions. And we want to do that in probably the closest language is either going to be Java or Node. And we're using the Acacia endpoint still. All right, so let's Stripe CLI curl. I mean, curl is pretty the closest probably that we can easily like see it. Oh, Stripe subscription cancel. All right. So the same issue that I was having yesterday with fucking around with the subs, with the what you call it, with the Stripe API. Hopefully I won't have the same issues this time, but I might. But I'm really hoping that I won't. But I might. But I'm really hoping that I won't. So yeah, let's grab this and set that actually as an API endpoint in here. So you're going to go Stripe subscriptions. And we're going to want to make this a post. I think I can do it like this. I think, but I might be mistaken. I might need to make a whole new pathway for it. Post subscriptions. Actually, hang on. Do I just make another route to subscriptions and like another folder in there for it? Boom, boom, boom. Subscriptions and then mkdir cancel. Cancel. That's not how is that how you spell cancel? I am just, I'm not dyslexic or anything. I'm just retarded. Don't worry. Yeah, that looks about right. So let's make this directory and then we want to touch or creamy .route.ts. I'm going to pop that bad boy right open and grab all of this and paste it straight in. I'm actually just going to get chat. Actually, can you guys see the code properly? You might not be able to. So let me just switch this over to a slightly less egregious overlay. As much as I love that one, it is rather egregious. But I have no clue why stream elements capitalize, like makes this shit red in, where's my actual chart? There's my actual chart. It doesn't do it here, but it does do it here. It might be because it's set to a mod or something, but I'm not too sure. Not too sure. Anyway, what is this? What is this? Oh, Chatterino. So I can hide that. That does bring it up across the entire screen, which is not really what I want. So I'm going to pop open another one of these. I'm just going to pull up NeoFetch just for something pretty to look at. Just so you guys don't have to like triple up on the view of the thingamawhat's. Anyway, let's grab this, jump into my actual profile. And we're going to go to here. I'm going to move this up so you guys can see what I'm doing with ChatGPT. Yoink. Oh, no. Where the fuck do I keep putting it? This is the Next.js API app route for getting, is it products or subscriptions? Subscriptions. Make another to cancel an active sub. The sub will be passed in as a param, as a post param. And then I'm just going to copy and paste this. Actually, hang on. Oh no, that's retrieve. Hang on, cancel subscription. Oh, there we go. Cancel. So this is it. So this is in Node. And then we're just going to pull up the curl one as well, just because it's actually usable. And in curl. And let's just see what it comes up with. It might be usable, it might not. Oh, my legs itchy. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's some good shit. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that's some good shit. Let's pop that bad boy up. Pop that bad boy down. Down to there. That should be about right, I think. Maybe a bit off. Let's move that one that way. And then we can pop that there. And that's about right. That's about right. I hope. Anyway, let's switch back around to this one and bring her or him. I'm unsure of the gender of the generated code. All right, so let's just skim through what it's doing. Post API subscription cancels active subscription. It takes it in, cancels it. Cancel subscription. So let's try this on out. So where is my end subscription? Right there. So I kind of want to make a hook for it. Hooks. Let's just check this one out, right? Actually, let's jump back and let's get this bad boy to make a custom hook to handle it. Because I'm lazy as fuck, man. Use state react. Yeah, that looks about right, actually. Cancel subscription, loading, error, success. That looks good. That actually does look okay. So we're going to need to touch, use cancel, stripe, subscription, .ts. Boom. All right. Actually, hang on. Can I use React in a non-TSX? I think I need to name it TSX. Whoop, hang on. I'm unsure. let's take a look at this. My component, handle cancel, blah, blah, blah. Button on click, blah, 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 blah. All right, so let's just get it to, like, I have a feeling that's going to cause issues because I'm trying to actually, hang on. I know that's the cancel stripe one there. So that's the current sub. Yoink. And I really need to clean that up as well, but incorporate it into this component. And hopefully it won't break everything because there's a lot of code in there, including typings. There definitely shouldn't be in here. And, but it is what it is, baby. Utility format date, that's all good. Use count description. Is it importing the styling? It is importing the styling. Is it maintaining the styling? It looks like it's maintaining the styling. It looks like this might actually just straight out the gate behave. Let's check it out. Oh, hang on. So what did I call it? Use stream, use cancel stripe. Yoink. Oop. VMword. Boom. All right. So let's go to the subscriptions page. Whoop, that is definitely the wrong page. All right, so let's try and cancel the last subscription. And let's pull up the network panel as well so we can check what's going on. And we do want this to persist logs. All right, end. API subscription cancel. Oh, I think I'm missing a stripe in there. So where was it? This one. Oop. G is API stripe subscription cancel. All right, so let's jump back into the hook. And then in here, we should just be able to do that bad boy. Boom. And then let it reload. All right, so let's clear that, clear everything. Here goes nothing. Boom. It did successfully post. Subscription canceled successfully. Cancelled up. Cancellation requests. That all looks good to me. Hang on, what was the one that I cancelled? Sub that. So let's check this in here. Actually, let's just refresh this one and see if it's cancelled. Because I'm not too sure how it will look in Stripe. Because this is the payment, not the actual thing. It's going to be this sub. Cancelled. Yep, that looks good to me. Sweet. What was that? That was tier 4. So if we jump back into here, what do we have? We've got tier 4 still set up. So if we refresh the page, will it still be there? If it is, then we need to force it to reload. Nope, it's not there. All right, so we need to reload them. So that is on current sub. We want an effect to trigger to reload it. Or we could just go quick and dirty. If it cancels, hide it. Which is disgusting, but it saves the refresh. Sub idols for each of them. Or maybe you do want to still show it and allow it to be reinstated. 80, yeah, so that's the one that I made. Nope, that's not the one that I made. So maybe we throw that into, so cancelled subscriptions can go into like a purchases page. That'll show historic purchases, historic subscriptions. Hang on, I just spilled a shit ton of tobacco. Where's the water pipe for tobacco? Cool. All right, so that's all more or less working. More than less. And even on the production side, if I go to back here and then into profile, nope, I don't want to go here. Keep taking me back. If I go back into my profile here and then into subscription, it should not show the one that I just cancelled. It does not, which is great. Perfect. Nice. I'm a god amongst men. But beyond that, what else do I need to do around this? Let me just check this one. So allow canceling subs from sub page. That is definitely, I'm going to say that that's done. But maybe we want to do something with reinstating them as well. But for now, let's not worry about it. That is in the PR status. And I'm just going to right quit and commit all of this. And shout out to the conventional commits AI plugin package, because all of my commits are normally like messy as fuck, but this bad boy will pipe up the changes to ChatGPT and actually, hang on, was that everything? It was. And then come up with a very nice conventional commits, even using emojis. So if I git log it, I don't think it'll show me emojis, but if I git log it, maybe with this, and then go all the way back up to the top commits. Where is my commits? There we go. We've got our emojis. Beautiful. I just hear a ding, but I'm not too sure what from. Let me jump around a bunch so I can find out what just happened. Thank you for following Works X Bend. Working hard or bending harder? But yeah, so that's the cancel subs more or less done. I'm just going to quickly merge this into production. So git check out main. Unfortunately, I'm using main. I use master for everything, but I just didn't bother updating it properly. And I just pushed to the default branch and it's main. I haven't been fucking changing it yet. So we want to push that bad boy straight up there. That can't be right. What the fuck? I just literally made a commit. Oh, hang on. Git merge. There we go. And then push it all up. 0. What? Let's just check this. Sparkles implements drives cancellation. This all looks right to me. That is exactly what I just did. So fuck knows. All right. Let's jump back in. Move this. Let's leave this in the PR status because I haven't deployed it yet. Allow canceling subs for the sub page. I can go over here. The subscription page itself. So this one. Let me grab. Actually, I'll grab it from here. Yoink. And I'm just going to close out here and use a cool little alias. So git checkout branch. We're going to call this feature MSV31 updates on profile page links. Cool. And also let me just quickly run this to get Redshift off my screen. I don't know if it was affecting you guys at all, but oh god, I'm so white. So white, so white. Anyway, let's pull this bad boy back up and we'll work on that's the actual production site, so let's ignore that one. Adding in these links, setting them all up for the default profile page, which is this one. So let's jump into here. I actually don't know if I did it in the page or, which I definitely shouldn't have, but I quite possibly did because I'm fucking lazy. And we're going to search for subscription. So initially I did have it set up so subscription, assuming people would only have one subscription at a time and you wouldn't want to do any like advanced functionality with your subscriptions, all you'd want to do is cancel them or maybe view it. I had it set up to pop it up in a little modal. So you can see it here, you can cancel it here. Which I still think isn't the worst idea, but I did really just like the styling of the other page of the subscription. So I might reinstate it later, but for now, I'm going to leave it as it is and switch the managed subscription from a modal. And where is it? Manage sub. Let's go to the top and find where that is. Oh. Oh no, there we go. Cool. We don't want to do that on click. We actually want to switch this button out for a link. So let's comment all of that out. And we're just going to go link. Yeah, exactly that actually. Well, not exactly that. Because we don't want to do that. We want it to link. Fail to compile. Unexpected div. Where's the unexpected div? What's the div complaining about? Where is the div complaining about? It automatically made that a link. Hang on, let me just undo this real quick. Save it. Just see what it's complaining about. That's fine. Yes. 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 All right, cool. And then this should take us back there. Sweet. Cool. Nice. I'm a god amongst men, so to speak, with my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 test subscriptions. Actually, while I'm here, let's jump into our Stripe. And we should be able to see like somewhere like a reporting or something. Maybe revenue recognition or something like that. Because I want to see the projected subscriptions. Oh, I am not paying you any money to see a chart. Fuck you. You can schlobber me knob. Yeah, I think all of the reports actually do demand. All right, so let's go billing analytics maybe. Oh, yep, there we go. Cool, that's nice, that's nice. So just a reminder, all the numbers you see here are bullshit in test mode. I'm not actually pulling in like 80k in the last 5 days. But if you'd like to donate 80k, you can happily make a liar of me. Actually, let's check churn. Can I see? Nothing. Doesn't show how. Can I go revenue? Oh, okay. So the average, I assume it's paid for 1 month and the second month 1% has dropped off maybe? I'm actually not too sure. Active subscribers. Subscriber lifetime value, $31,000. Subscriptions. So where's the one that I cancelled? Where is the one I cancelled? What did I cancel? I feel like I cancelled this. Which is this one. 12, 13. All right, let's cancel another one. Let's go with something that's only got like 1 or 2. Kitten, get out of the window. If you dare step around here, I'll put you in the microwave. All right, so what do we got? Unknown products, because I've actually like gotten rid of all of these products, so that does make sense why they're showing like that, I think. But let's cancel this one. So this is a tier 3 subscription, and let's just check our tier 3 subscriptions. So tier 3, we have 1 tier 3 subscription currently. So hopefully canceling this. Subscription cancelled. Oh, actually, it's showing that on all of them, which is not great. But let's now refresh this bad boy and see if we have any tier 3 subscriptions active. It is still showing a tier 3 subscription. It's not actually showing my churn. So let's go, can I go into subscriptions? Yes, I can. I can go into subscriptions here. All of these look active to me, but none of these are the tier 3 subscription. So, they're all fucking set to active. So that would make sense. Let's check the cancelled ones. Oh, yep, that's the tier 3, tier 4 that I cancelled like right now. Cool. That is actually perfect. That is magnifique. So some of the things that we will need to quickly deal with is just the, after it successfully cancels a subscription, I don't want this appearing on all of them, firstly. So what would that be? That'll be in here, I guess, or in current sub, which was, actually, I can just do it this way. I have to search for it. This one. So we're going to need to take in the ID of the sub that we're canceling as well, and then check if that matches. So these are all of these, and then button cancel loading. Use cancel subscription. We do want to limit this in here. So maybe we just move this up. Sub data field. Hang on, which one's this pinned to? Not that one, this one. So maybe we just move this up to here, which it is not going to like. Sub data field. Let's put this here and just see what it looks like. Looks like shit is what it looks like. So let's not do that. I don't want to have to do anything fancy with it. So maybe I'll just force a hard refresh instead of needing to fix, instead of fixing my code errors, I might just cause a hard refresh after a subscription's cancelled. So what am I doing? On click cancel subscription, sub ID, on click cancel subscription. Maybe we use a use effect and we set it to cancel success. Actually, let's just double check that success returns true. So let's go into here. Oh, that was actually not what I wanted to at all. What the fuck? Set loading, success true. Yeah. So we just can, where the fuck am I looking for? This one. Jump back up to here. And then we'll add a use effect. Ooh. If cancel success, reload subscriptions. If success, set loading true. Set subs, nothing. Set product map. All right, so let's try this one out. So I'm going to cancel one of my unknown products. It's a top one. So let's go. Actually, let's see if we can find one that has like a unique something or other that I can discern. February 28th, 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 28th. All right, April 1st, 27th. Actually, hang on. How the fuck are they started on the same day and have different times left? All right, either way. So the one with 30 days left, we're going to cancel this. No, don't climb up here. Oh my God. Ugh. Meet my co-streamer, Mr. Morgul. He is very cute. He cannot be trusted around anything, but oh God, fuck, not the claws. Oh, that was unnecessary, sir. Very unnecessary. Where the fuck were we? This one. All right, so let's cancel this one. Had 30 days left. Hopefully after canceling, it'll force a reload and we won't see that 30 days left. So here's to praying. Please don't hang. Nah, I think I fucked it. All right, what do we fuck? We fucked a lot. Profile index, unexpected div, expected. I actually don't know if that's relevant or not to the issue that we just induced. Console clear is presented. Yeah, so that just actually isn't triggering a reload. Unless it does load? Nope. All right, so we're just going to force a reload. Like a hard reload. Force reload. Set, no. Force reload page. No. Page. Window location reload. But we did get rid of it. Wait, no, wrong one. All right, let's try this out. So 27 days left, end subscription. We should see 26 days left after the reload. 26 days left. They all say 26 days left. Oh, because I got rid of the other one. That's fine. That is fine. All right, that's good enough for me. It works. And let's just check Stripe, and we should see a bunch of cancelled subscriptions in there now. What you working on, gamer? I'm working on a totally not bypass Stripe subscriptions. So more or less, setting up this site. So this is a live version. So you get a nice little embed of me looking cool, looking sexy. From here we can, all right, so this part I know is broken. I need to format it properly. It formats nicely at this ratio, but on mobile and full screen it fucks up. So you can full screen it. So you've got it like that. Exit cinema mode. We've got not that one because that's what I'm on. Donations, which currently break because it's hosted on Vercel and I still need to fix that. And subscriptions, which is what I'm working on at the moment. So the subscriptions do work, but I just needed a way to cancel the subscriptions. And that's just what we've nailed as we speak. For the sake of demonstration, once again, I'm going to give myself a nice chunky donation of $6 million and a donation of a small loan. And if you guys can stick with me through the, if you suspend your disbelief that I have $6 million in my account and that I'm putting in a dummy credit card number, once this processes, and it will only process locally correctly, because as I mentioned, that Vercel error won't, the issue with Vercel error is that it doesn't like Axios or Fetch or any other posting mechanism. Now, let me just also quickly change this bad boy over to this one so we get that beautiful one. Have you considered using Stream Elements for donations? Just pays directly to PayPal. I considered it, but I'm very, very against PayPal, put it bluntly, for a lot of reasons that I won't go into right now. Not because like I've done anything illegal with it or anything like that, but a couple of companies that I've worked for and companies that I've like ran in the past, they are very big on their rolling reserves, and they'll just seize like 6 figures that you have in your account that you need for liquidity for purchasing stock just at the drop of a hat. While Stripe won't do that. So both is a bit of a project to work on stream because it's been fun building this. Fun to set it all up on stream. Eventually I will also open source it, so other streamers will just need to change a couple of configs, add in their own Stripe keys, and instead of a 50-50 split with Bezos, let's just take a look at a transaction here, right? So as you can see, I'm in test mode, obviously. My donation of oh fuck, I missed a zero. A small loan of $600,000 is hit with a fee of $33,000. If this was through Twitch, it'd be 50-50 split. And I'm not a big fan of giving Bezos money, apart from through Amazon, because that service is pretty useful, pretty good. Yeah, anyway, I am just finishing off the profile page and the subscriptions through here. So like the big thing that I did want to finish off for the day was being able to cancel subscriptions. As much as I'd love to be able to lock people into a subscription like they can never leave, I feel like that's slightly immoral. And I had a couple of hiccups getting it to cleanly remove things, so I just forced a dirty hard refresh every time the subscription list changes. Actually, I do need to set it up so that it updates. So I'm using MongoDB in the backend, and let me just fire that up for clarity's sake. Where am I? Right place, yarn run Prisma Studio. So give this a moment to load up. If it isn't going to pop up somewhere randomly unexpected, there we go. They're all stored in Prisma. But none of these sync. Oh, they do sync. They sync on creation, but I need to set up syncing on cancellation as well. But I won't worry too much about that for now because I can just pull the data directly from Stripe. Aussie? Oh, maybe New Zealand. Which do you think? Which do you think? Take a guess. Chuck another shrimp on the barbie, mate. You know what? That is fair enough, but no, I am in fact an Australian, and I did take a bit of offense to thinking that I came from Australia's backyard. I don't really have that fish and chips accent, so no, I absolutely love the Kiwis, but can never miss an opportunity to give them shit. I feel like that's something that like Australians and New Zealand share, is like just giving foreigners shit at every opportunity, and that includes each other. Let's see, where was I sitting? Boom, boom, boom. I'm going to ignore the fact that I need to update the Prisma DB for now because it doesn't really matter. Where are we looking at? My small loan of 600,000 USD. So that's the production site. Boom, boom, boom. Subscription page. I'm actually probably going to say that that's probably about right. So I can probably close out that branch. let's just this is GAX boom. So one of the best uses of generative LLMs is fucking conventional commits. Because most of my commits are like whip, fix something, broke something. But the combo of a bunch of node packages, conventional commits, committers and AI, and committers and checkbox and emoji, I think it is. The entire string of them gives you really pretty Git logs that, ignoring all of the first ones where there's no emojis, will give us really pretty logs like that let us know exactly what branch you're on, what you've done, what changes you made. Throw a little emoji in there. If you're fixing a bug, we'll throw a little caterpillar. 10 out of 10, honestly. Best use of LLMs imaginable. But yeah, I'm going to move the subscription page. I'm going to check out fucking main, unfortunately on main, as I've complained about a little bit. And I'm going to merge in the last branch and push that up. Cool, and then I'm going to throw that into PR. What else do we need to do? Whoop, I didn't mean to drag that. What the fuck is that emoji? Maybe hi, Twitch mode. That is. I know that you guys probably can't see Chatterino down here, but look at that motherfucker. Look at that face. Absolutely disgusting. Let's pop them all out. Whoop, that was not how far I wanted to pop that out. So let's get rid of this one, pop that back down there, hit that one in there. Actually, this one is also done. The links for the profile page, I can just hide most of these for now, in all honesty. So like purchases, this doesn't link anywhere, but I wanted to show like historic donations. And subscriptions, so you can like go in there, re-enable them. The manage subscriptions takes you nicely here where you can manage your subscription. On the, oh, where the fuck Chatterino go? I think I killed it. Did I kill Chatterino? Oh no, it's just stuck here. Let me pop this bad boy back out and shrink it down. And hide that behind my face. Maybe make it a bit shorter. Nope, wrong shorter. Make it a bit shorter, there we go. You did a pretty good job of calling the accent. I assume that you're from the old Australia's backyard? The country that discovered using sheep intestines as condoms prior to Australia realizing you can take them out the sheep first. Please don't get me banned for saying that, Twitch, fuck. What are we gonna do? Subscription page, recipient page. So on the subscription page, also I am eventually going to be building out my own chat system. A lot, and I mean a lot of inspiration for my site has come from Destiny's site. So one of the things that he has is the ability to gift a donation, not a donation, a subscription to someone else, or just generate community. So I've just sort of yoinked the concept of that, but it doesn't really do anything at the moment. So I'm going to hide these ones, probably add a little image in there. And then as I sort of build out the back-end framework for it, to allow donating subscriptions to other people, let it run wild. Also, this song is an absolute bop. And I have some webhooks set up that only fire locally, as I've been complaining about for my small loan of $600,000 USD. Hang on, what the fuck was I doing? Subscription recipient page. So this, I'm actually going to add a comment in here and make another. Oh, hang on. No, that's the confirmation page. So I'm going to rename this one real quick. Description recipient confirmation page. That's not how you spell like half of those words, but I'm not paid to spell well. I'm not paid at all. Oh, get out of my shoes. God. Oh my god, don't back up, don't back up. Oh my god, why are you backing up like that? Oh my god. Little monster. Very cute there. So you've got a bunch of toys that all look like fucking axe murderer weapons. And unfortunately, I taught him to play fetch, which in practice just means when I'm sleeping and I leave my door open, he just drops all of his toys like this and other knives and shit just on my face, expecting me to play with them. But if you can get this right, you got distracted. There we go. I don't even know if you guys can see my door or not, but so this here's confirmation page, profile page, links optimization. I'm just gonna move this one into here and we'll do this. And by optimization, I mean hide the fuck out of most of them. So git check out branch. Let's call this a chore actually. Hide profile links. Fuck, that is why do I have so many goddamn shits running? Alright, let's pop that one back up. And we'll just go back into pages. I really do need to strip these out of pages and put them in the right place, but whatever. So let's just take a look at what we've got in here. Purchases, messages, connections, developer advanced. Yeah, so, I mean, subscriptions doesn't need to appear there if you're already on that page, but so those are those modals. Where is the list? There's the list. So purchases, let's hide this. Profile connections, developer advanced. A button to select team. I actually don't know where that button is. Anyway, let's get rid of this one as well. And that can go because it's no longer a button, it's now a link. What else we have? So this is actually probably all we really need for the homepage for now. And the managed subscriptions can stay like that as well. And I'll add them in here as need be. I'm not too sure what I want to do with this page, like this little pop-up section, but I might get rid of this and then add in like a standard menu. But that's probably fine. So let's then jump into the subscription page and hide like all of these, So leave the profile, hide that one. Messages can go, connections go, and advanced can go. They can all go. But let's jump back over here and let's grab this one and move this into here and put that in there. So that should give us manage subscriptions, which is going to take us to exactly the same page. Then back to profile, and there we go. Cool. So we're going to leave these as they are for now. I do need to make some changes for this page, so you can update shit, update your email, update this, that, the other. but I think it's good for now. I think that's about it. I'd say it's probably almost good to go. Literally the only issue being, let's go fix on that one. Oh, GP sup. The only issue being the webhook not firing from the Vercel backend. Check out main, git merge, and then I'm going to need to run yarn next. Actually, what is it? Yarn next build. No. Ooh, what the fuck? The fuck you mean you can't connect to Google fucking fonts? Let me just check the stream see we're running. Yeah, no, that's fine. That all looks good. Let me drop this one in so you can get a bit of a clearer view, but let's let that run for a bit. Might hit you all with a quick 3-minute ad as I shill hard as fuck. Where are my ad button? There we go. Let's see you all in 3 minutes. While it builds. Oh, fucking hell, cats. You don't need to be in my feet. Oh. I also need to update all of these buttons. I probably want to throw in the Discord one in there as well. Because I only set up the Discord yesterday. So I need to like fix everything, fix all of those links. But those are things that I can do downtime off stream. So they're not that fancy. I maybe actually want to add a section in here for like gifting additional subs. Yep, we are running an ad, so I'm gonna BRB. Oof. All right, cool. Now that is built out, I think I need to run Vercel build and then Vercel deploy and promote it to production. So one of the things, actually, hang on, are we still in the ad? We are for another 50 seconds. Well, I'll be for that 30 seconds. Hang on, the cat is disassembling my window as I speak. BRB. You down. Where are you? Wait. Down. Out of the window. You can't pull down the fly screen to get to the birds. Furry little bastard. All right, cool. That is, how has it deployed? Nope, that's just built. Vercel deploy pre-built. Get out of my shoelaces. You don't need to lay on my feet. Oh my god. All right, so let's let this deploy, grab this one. Which let's kill, fuck, I should kill Chatterino, whatever. Ugh. Paste this in here. He is right all up in my shit. All right, after this builds, I'll then deploy it. Probably take a bit of a break, kill the stream. Sir, get out of my shoelaces. I skip you. You've got my entire chair here. Oh. Cool, that looks like it has deployed. And then we want to promote this to production. And it's going to need to go through the whole rebuild process. Oh god. Do you have anything to say for yourself? Oh, don't climb. Oh, yeah. Calm down. Is this really the player? Apparently that really is the player. Oh my god, he's just dived back between my legs. Alright, so let's check this to make sure everything looks moderately okay. Let's mute this so you guys don't get feedback. Oh, he just got me right in the ankle. Then manage subscriptions. There we go. Let's cancel this one. I see if there's a unique one. Nope. Oh, yep. Test sub out Inc. Let's cancel this one and see if it's still there. So it's the second last one. Yep. Cool. That's cancelled. Perfect. Beautiful. Everything is working more or less as intended. Although these definitely need to be cached. I'm really not too sure why they, ow, my ankle. Why these two take so long to load the image while these ones are happy with the buffer. Oh shit, actually I need to get rid of this because this will load the last 3 videos. Beyond that, I'd say it's probably at a comfortable position. Cool. Oh my, you don't need to climb me like a goddamn tree. Alright, let's just cancel. Maybe I won't cancel them all. Maybe I should cancel them all. I don't know. I might go for a stroll, take 15 minutes, and I might try and like get the cat to chill on the chair and like leave you all with a cat cam for a bit. Like, let's just jump into this one and try and get a cat cam going. Beautiful. Check out my sick keyboard, by the way. Shit goes hard. Camera. Fuck, witness latch. Hang on, which way is up? That way. This might very well be the worst positioning I've ever had my camera in, but hey, it's better than nothing. How the fuck did I get over onto this? All right, there we go. Cool. Cat cam is great in theory, but the only catch is cats behave like cats. But now that that's all that is all deployed and out and up and running, I might hit you with another 3-minute ad, and then I might call this stream, and then I might jump back on in like an hour or so, and I might try and farm some React content. Like, my name is Mr. Gold. I will throw all of y'all into a raid real quick before that ends. So I'm just gonna drop that into the ending. Test. Cool. Yep. So I'm gonna end the stream, come back in about 45 to an hour, go get some outside time, touch grass, all that good stuff. Stick around because I'm gonna send you all on a raid. No clue who to yet. Where the fuck is the raid finder? There we go. Who's is looking like they could handle a raid? Definitely not the boob tuber. None of these people are like even in the right fucking category. What the fuck? That guy's Russian. This guy's German. This guy's also German. Why are there so many Germans? Jesus fuck. Alright, let's go with this guy. I think. Yeah, that looks right. Let's go with this guy. Old mate with a bucket hat. He is definitely the perfect person to send a raid towards. Looks like he might be building his own game engine, so that's kind of cool. Let me jump back over here. I was gonna let the raid timer run out so everyone goes and not just raid now. So if you're in chat, ready up for the raid. Raid's gonna happen in about 40 seconds. I'm just gonna hit him with a choo-choo real quick. Choo-choo. Boom. All right, 30 seconds. I don't know if you guys get to see who I'm raiding before I select the raid or anything, or like before the raid starts, but all right, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's fucking go.